guys, it's Surfcast in the Island, and today I'm going to be talking about the Tsunami Sand Eel teaser surf rig that I personally use. As you guys may or may not know, we get a very big sand eel run during the fall on the southwestern Nassau beaches, as well as out east, anywhere from October on. And when the bass are really finicky, this is one of the baits you could throw. This is a 6-inch Tsunami Sand Eel. Personally, this is my favorite. I feel like it mimics the bait the best. A lot of guys use bigger sizes like 7s and 8s. This is the 7-inch Tsunami Sand Eel. And they're a great bait. They work very well, but the one downside to them is their castability is not good. Even on a moderate action rod that would load up a lighter bait like this, they don't go very far, 30 yards at most. Well, I've had a solution to that, and not using it as your main bait per se, using it as a teaser on a high-low rig gives you the castability of something else, such as a diamond jig and whatnot, to get that bait further. Even though they're not hitting the diamond jig, you're getting that Tsunami Sand Eel further to that outer bar. And this is the rig here. This is one that's finished. I'm going to show you guys how to tie one. This is a 2.5 ounce runoff tin connected with a tactical angler's clip, connected to 60-pound test Cigar fluoro. And after about 2.5 feet, I have the 6-inch Tsunami Sand Eel on a dropper loop. I'll show you guys how to tie this as well. You see it's free swinging there. It's on a swivel, as opposed to guys that would tie the dropper loop and then pin it through. I personally don't like that. I feel like it doesn't impart the same action. And then lastly, you have about a foot's length, 1.5 length to a Spro barrel swivel. Typically, I like to use the bigger swivels. Anything that won't go through the tip of your rod in case you do reel up, it won't go through the tip and crack it per se. So without further ado, I'll show you guys how to tie the rig. So first off, you're going to have to start with the leader line. You could either go, the two main ones I use is Andy monofilament. This is 50-pound test. This comes in 50-yard spools, very, very, very cheap. Only about $6. If you want to up your game, you could use, this is 60-pound Cigar. This is much more expensive. You get into the $20 and $30 price point. So I'll show you with the Cigar. So you want to take the tag end of the spool as such, and you want to extend it about two arms lengths across my body, my wingspan, and you're going to take your trimmers and clip it there like so. Now you can either start with the barrel swivel or you could start with the TA clip. It doesn't really matter. I'll start with the barrel swivel. So you're going to insert through here. I'm just going to do a regular clinch knot. You could do improved clinch knot, doesn't really matter. With this heavier pound test, I haven't really pulled the hook on this regular clinch knot. So you want to do about 10 spins. Always wet the line before you cinch it. Go through the loop. Pull tight. There you go. There's your clinch knot. You can see that's not going anywhere. Clip the tag end. Now, instead of starting the dropper loop, you're going to take your bait of choice. So here's the 6-inch Tsunami Sand Eel. We're going to insert it at the lower end of the leader, like such. And we're going to pull it up towards the barrel swivel. Ready? This is the most important part. So it's free hanging like this, your Tsunami Sand Eel. All you're going to do is cross the lines. Now you have a loop. You don't want a very big loop. Probably about 3-4 inch diameter, like so. And now you're going to take the longer end and start pulling the strand through that loop. 1, 2, same thing, about 10 turns. 3, 4, Okay, so we're 10 times through the loop. Now, you want to kind of estimate and pinch the middle, so between 5 on each side, like this. You see how this is open now? You want to take your tsunami sand deal, put it through that loop, like that. Now this is the hardest part. You're going to have to take a nail or the side of a table, edge of a table, and pull to really cinch this dropper loop down. I'm not going to be able to show you in the video, but I'll show you the end product. So you find the edge of a table and you cinch it down. Now, with the remaining, really pull it down. I really should have lubricated that with some saliva, but you guys will get the idea. Now, we have our dropper loop with the 6-inch tsunami sand deal, and as you guys could see, like the previous one I showed you, the tsunami sand deal is free swinging. It's not going to take a side, as opposed to, I know guys will pin the dropper loop and then feed it through. The other problem I found is this bait is too long to do that the other way, as you guys may know. You have to create a big dropper loop, and that'll just affect the action. It won't impart the same action on the plug per se. But yeah, that's your dropper loop connection. And last but not least, we are going to attach the tactical angler's clip, which again, you just do your simple clinch knot, feed it through, about 10 turns, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, wet the line, pull it through, cinch it, not going anywhere. Trim the tag end. And again, this is a very general rig. You could do this with any teaser and with whatever diamond jig or tin that you would like. Some other examples besides the runoff tin that you could attach to the tactical angler's clip could be, an A17 greenie. This is a classic. Just pop it on, you're good to go. Could even go smaller runoff tin. This is a 1.5 ounce runoff with the hackles on the back. Same thing, clip it on, you're good to go. It's a very versatile rig. I love it. You could also apply this dropper loop to any of the other teasers out there on the market, whether you have the Glass Minnow by Tsunami, phenomenal. What else do we have here? I'll give my buddy Dom, his dad, a shout out. Backwater Custom Baits makes an excellent all-around bait for all types of applications, whether it's freshwater for swim jigs or bucktailing for bass, but they also make great teasers. This would work perfectly on this type of rig. Even the guys up in Nantucket, they use it for fluke and they slay fluke, so it's a very, very versatile lure, so to speak. But yeah, that pretty much concludes this discussion and how-to video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.